Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Amazing fact about rhinoceros. Number 1. The Javan rhinoceros, Rhinoceros sondicus, is one of the most endangered large mammals in the world. According to 2015 estimates, only about 60 remain, in Java, Indonesia, all in the wild. It is also the least known rhino species. Like the closely related, and larger, Indian rhinoceros, the Javan rhino has a single horn. Its hairless, hazy gray skin falls in two folds into the shoulder, back, and rump, giving it an armored appearance. Male horns can reach 26 centimeters in length, while in females they are knobs or altogether absent. Number 2. The Sumatran rhinoceros, Dicerorhinus sumatrensis, is the smallest extant rhinoceros species, as well as the one with the most hair. It can be found at very high altitudes in Borneo and Sumatra. Due to habitat loss and poaching, their numbers have declined and it has become the most threatened rhinoceros. About 275 Sumatran rhinos are believed to remain. There are 3 subspecies of Sumatran rhinoceros: the Sumatran rhinoceros proper, the Bornean rhinoceros, and the possibly extinct northern Sumatran rhinoceros. Number 3. Modern rhinos are thought to have begun dispersal from Asia during the Miocene. 2 species survived the most recent period of glaciation and inhabited Europe as recently as 10,000 years ago: the woolly rhinoceros and Elasmotherium. The woolly rhinoceros appeared in China around 1 million years ago and first arrived in Europe around 600,000 years ago. The earliest members of Rhinoceratidae were small and numerous. At least 26 genera lived in Eurasia and North America until a wave of extinctions in the Middle Oligocene wiped out most of the smaller species. Number 4. International trade in rhinoceros horn has been declared illegal by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora CITES since 1977. A proposal by Swaziland to lift the international ban was rejected in October 2016. Domestic sale of rhinoceros horn in South Africa, home of 80% of the remaining rhino population, was banned as of 2009. However, that ban was overturned in a court case in 2017, and South Africa plans to draft regulations for the sale of rhino horn, possibly including export for non-commercial purposes. Number 5. Because of the fibrous nature of rhino horn, the pressurized dye infuses the interior of the horn but does not color the surface or affect rhino behavior. The Acaricide is expected to cause nausea, stomachache and diarrhea, or convulsions for anyone consuming the horn, depending on the quantity, but would not be fatal. The primary deterrent being the knowledge that the treatment has been applied, communicated by signs posted at the refuges. The original idea grew out of research looking into using the horn as a reservoir for one-time tick treatments, and the Acaricide is selected to be safe for the rhino, oxpeckers, vultures, and other animals in the preserve's ecosystem. See you in other amazing and fun facts. Click like if you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Keep good spirit.